G'day, Chris Warrick from the GRDC Grain Storage Extension team. If you're looking at using grain storage protectants this year, application is really important. We used to do it just with a trickle into the stream of grain. These days we need to do a better job because some of these products, if applied incorrectly, will breach the maximum residue limits. So the application systems, if you're looking at one, need to have the following components. They need a pump, good quality pump, that's capable of recirculating at least 10% of the volume of product that we have mixed. That's on top of the flow it's delivering to your grain. So that recirculation system on this one goes back in the top of the tank. That also means that when we shut off the flow to the grain, that we've got a bypass system to take pressure off the rest of our components in the plumbing. Some sort of way to regulate the flow. A simple tap like this will do the job. Of course, a filter, a pressure gauge to help us with our pressure regulation. And this one I really like is a flow meter. That helps us calibrate our flow of product with our flow of grain. It also gives us an early indication if there's a blockage in our nozzle or some issue that we need to deal with. So then when we get to the auger, of course we're talking about a flat fan nozzle inside the auger and a way to take that nozzle off the auger to be able to look at it, maintain it, clean it when we need to. Get a really good application with a flat fan nozzle into the auger or the conveyor. So of course you could probably make one of these yourself if you're looking at doing so, or you're looking at buying one. Make sure it's got all of these components on it. Make sure you can regulate and calibrate the flow of product to your grain accurately. Of course, we only want to mix enough product for one day at a time. Calibrate with water before we put the product in. This particular model is designed to fit an ICB. It's supplied by Grain Protect, so it's one option you may want to look at. Or as I said, if you're looking at these systems, just make sure they've got all of these components.